Good morning. If you're on the East Coast, it's morning time. Here in Sweden, it's 12:37. So I wanted to share with you today a tip that's really helpful if you are going to take maybe like a worksheet that you already have and you would like to turn it into a Google Slides activity. There's also other reasons you could do this depending on what activity you're using, but we're going to talk about how you can change the size of your Google Slides presentation. So when you open up a Google Slide, a new Google Slides presentation, it's automatically this size that's kind of fit well on most like tablets or computer screens. However, you can change that size, and that could be helpful for a bunch of different reasons. It might be helpful if you want to, again, take a worksheet you already have and you would like to upload it to Google Slides and have students fill it in. Maybe you have students who are doing activities on your phone, so you want it to be the other direction. Very simple. And this is going to go along with the video that I'm going to share tomorrow. About how you can upload something that you already have and then use it, manipulate it in Google Slides. So simple, all you do, click on File, go down to Page Setup, and then it's automatically set for widescreen. There's a couple different options here. You can play around with those, but what we're going to do to set it to a specific size is we're going to click on Custom. So the first number is the horizontal size, and the second number is the vertical size, the height. So a normal like worksheet is typically 10 by 7.5 or 11 by 7.5. So I'm just going to change it, and this is in inches, by the way. You can change the units, so if you have a very specific amount, you can change that. I don't know what points means. I've never used that, but I always stick to inches or centimeters depending on where you're from. You click Apply. That's it. Now it is a different size. If you wanted to do, if you had a worksheet or something that you were doing that was like a portrait piece of paper, you can go to Custom and you would just switch these numbers. So 7.5 by 10. Again, this isn't the best size typically for if you're using the computer. For a tablet, it would work fine, but there might be occasions where this makes sense. This is what you want to use for your students. So that's it. All you do is go to File, Page Setup, and then you can play around with these numbers however you want to use them. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will be back tomorrow with another tip on how you can take like a worksheet you already have and use that on Google Slides. So hope that was helpful. Have a great day.